Hello everyone, this is Ajisha, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. This topic deals with organizing, its nature, importance and process. On completion, students will be able to define what is organizing, explain the nature and importance and demonstrate the organizing process. So first, we will see what is organizing. Organization is the process of identifying and grouping of the works to be performed, defining and delegating responsibility and authority and establishing relationships for the purpose of enabling people to work most efficiently. Now, we shall see the nature of organizing. First is plurality of persons. Organization is a group of many persons who assemble to fulfill a common purpose. A single individual cannot create an organization. Second, common objectives. There are various parts of an organization with different functions to perform but all move in the direction of achieving a general objective. Third, division of work. Under division of work, the entire work of business is divided into many departments. The work of every department is further subdivided into sub-works. Next, cooperative efforts. Organization ensures that the work of all the persons depends on each other's work even though it happens to be different. The work of one person starts from where the work of another person ends. Fifth, communication. People who form an organization communicates with each other in order to integrate or coordinate their efforts. The structure must be such that people can perform together efficiently. 6. Central authority. In an organization, there is a central directing authority which controls the concerted efforts of the group. 7. Rules and regulations. For the orderly and systematic working of the members, rules and regulations are laid down and enforced by the central authority. 8. The dynamic element. An organization is not a mere mechanical structure but a living organism arising out of the sentiments, attitudes, and behavior of people. Now let us see the importance of organizing. First, it facilitates administration. A properly balanced organization facilitated both management and operation of the enterprise. Second, it encourages growth and diversification. It has enabled organizations to grow and expand to giant sizes. Third, optimum use of new technology. Optimum use of technology permits optimum utilization of human resources. Fourth, stimulates innovation and creativity. It stimulates creative thinking and initiative on the part of employees. Next, it encourages good human relations. The assignment of right jobs to right person improves job satisfaction and interpersonal relations. Next, it ensures continuity of enterprise. It provides scope for the training and development of future management. Last, coordination. It facilitates order and cohesiveness in the enterprise. Division of labor. Better utility of technology and human talent helps to improve the efficiency and quality of work. Clear channels of communication among the members of the organization leads to coordination. Once the importance of organizing is seen, let us learn the organizing process. First step. Identification of activities. Determine the tasks that must be performed to achieve the established objectives. Second. Grouping of activities. The various activities are grouped into departments or divisions according to similarity and common purpose. Third, assignment of duties. Groups of activities or departments are then allotted to different positions. Fourth, delegation of authority. Every individual is given the authority required to carry out the responsibility assigned to him. A chain of command is created through successive delegation of authority. As you can see, these are some of the differences between formal and informal organization. In formal organization, structure is laid down by the top management to achieve organizational goals. Formal organization prescribes the relationships amongst the people working in the organization. A formal organization is bound by rules, regulations and procedures. In formal organization, position, authority, responsibility and accountability of each level clearly defined. Organization structure is based on division of labor and specialization to achieve efficiency in operations. In a formal organization, coordination proceeds according to the prescribed pattern. But informal organization is not established by any formal authority. It is unplanned and arises spontaneously. Informal organizations reflect human relationships. It arises from the personal and social relations amongst the people working in the organization. Formation of informal organizations is a natural process. It is not based on rules, regulations and procedures. The interrelations amongst people in an informal organization cannot be shown in an organization chart. I hope that, on completion of this video, students will be able to define what is organizing, explain the nature and importance, demonstrate the organizing process. Hope this video benefits you. Thank you.